Welcome to NAS Cosmetics product tutorials. Today I'm going to show you a fast and simple way to apply your mineral foundation. I'll be using a kabuki brush to apply the foundation. This is a high quality mineral makeup brush, so it doesn't leave surface scratches on your skin or lines throughout your makeup. I'll just put a tiny bit of the makeup into the lid. That's so much there. With the brush, rather than just go lightly and get a little bit on the ends of the bristles, see how it's just sitting there? We actually want to get it inside the bristles, not just to be sitting on the surface. By doing that and pushing the product into the brush, you'll find that it'll sit into the bristles. If you still feel that it is sitting on the surface, tap the brush on a table and the product will fall down into the bristles and it will resurface as you're applying. So we've got it into the bristles and we're just going to apply. I begin across the forehead. There is no right or wrong as to how you should apply. Across the eyelids. Don't just stop your makeup at the jawline here. Blend it down. And even onto the décolletage. That's how easy and simple it is to apply NAS Cosmetics Mineral Foundation. Now, it's going to do its processing, so over the next 5 or 10 minutes, it will blend with your natural oils and gets better and better. I've been left with a beautiful coverage. My skin can still breathe, heal and function naturally, and I don't feel like I'm wearing makeup at all. It's incredibly light to wear. My foundation is complete and we're ready for step 3, which is the concealer.